Hey there folks, my name is Luke. Welcome to this episode of the Outdoor Gear Review, where today I am reviewing not these sunglasses, but this jacket. Before I go any further, what do you guys think about these sunglasses? These are completely different than anything I've ever used before because they are armless. Check that out. It's just a string in the back. I'm testing these out, review coming up soon. Let's get to the point of this video, which is the 511 Aurora Jacket. I will do a quick 360 for you. Now, this is a product which I have been testing out for numerous months now, and I have to say, I've been blown away by this jacket. With the Aurora Shell, this is a rain jacket, it's a wind jacket. I have been testing this out for numerous months. I have also been testing out other products from 511. And so far, with everything that I have purchased, everything that I've tested out, I've really been impressed. The trend continues with this jacket here, and I tell you guys, this jacket's unusual. The material is unusual. It's a 100% nylon weave. It feels completely different than your average rain jacket or wind jacket. Completely different. In fact, when you feel this material, you would not expect it to be waterproof at all, but it is. So I've used this in the snow. I've used this in the rain. I've used this in the pouring rain and never did this thing ever leak through. All of the seams are taped. It's articulated sleeves so you can move around. You can do what you have to do. When it comes to the looks of the jacket, I think it looks excellent. First off, I love this color. I love it. And so do you all, because countless people have asked about this jacket. You guys have seen me use this and wear this in multiple videos. Yeah, it's a good looking jacket. Medium size here, plenty of room underneath for additional layers. Lots and lots of really good features with this jacket. Let's talk about some of those features real quick. First off, you have a zippered pocket here on the chest. It is waterproof. It does not leak through with my testing so far. There's also a pass-through point right here, so you can put your headphones through this and essentially have cable management. For me, that's not a feature which I use, but it may be important to you. You do have two hand pockets. Inside of these pockets, you do have full waist adjustment, so you can pull this nice and tight to block out wind drafts and so on. Now, also inside of those pockets, you have zippers, which allow you to pass your hands through. This is a feature which I have not seen with other jackets except for those from 511. This is awesome for those who front carry and conceal, so you can grab your handgun and pull it through. Of course, if you're going to do that, make sure to practice, or you will be sorry. You'll get your hand hung up in there somewhere. When it comes to these hand pockets, these are zippered, so you can zip them up. The zippers are not waterproof, but I've had no issues with water leaking inside of the pockets. When it comes to the wrist adjustment, it is, as you would expect, Velcro. It is stretchy, so it can fit over your gloves. Fully adjustable. All of the zippers on this jacket are YKK, excellent quality. You do have a protection flap, which has Velcro on it to block wind and rain coming through that zipper. As it zips all the way up, you do have some very soft material up here to protect your chin, just like so. Plenty of room here for your face to be fully protected from the driving rain, the wind, and so on. You do have a hood, which is fully adjustable, and as you can see here, it works just fine. You have all the adjustments that you need. The visor here is not very stiff, but it does a good job. It's not completely limp, and that's a good thing. On the sleeve, you have a section of Velcro here for patches and so on, whatever you want to put on here. You do not have Velcro placement on the other side. Additionally, you do have pit zips when you're hiking around and you're getting hot. They work well. They're easy to access, easy to adjust. You can open them, close them without any issues. So we've discussed the features of this jacket. Let's move straight on to the review. Starting with the pros, let's talk about looks. This thing looks great in my opinion. I really do like it. It's my style. This is a very comfortable jacket. It's not very form-fitting. It's a regular fit, so you have plenty of space here to add layers if you need to. When it comes to blocking wind, it does a fantastic job. When it comes to being waterproof, again, it does a fantastic job, and I would like to talk about this for just a moment. With my months of testing this jacket out in the rain and the snow, I've had no issues to report. It has an amazing water repellent finish to this jacket, which I have found to be absolutely bulletproof. I've hiked out in the snow. wet and dry. A few weeks ago, there was a heavy rainstorm at the house. It was really coming down. I decided to put on this jacket, head outside into the rain, and see if I could get it to wet through. I could not. I was out there for roughly 40 minutes in the heavy rain, and it never did wet through. It really impressed me. This sounds silly, but I even went to the gutter where a tree limb had actually fallen on it this winter, put a crease in it, so it's leaking over the side, and I stood underneath that. It's like a freaking waterfall, water just pouring down all over the place, and this jacket just shedded the water. I never did get wet. Even the chest pocket never got wet. After an hour of being outside in the heavy rain and hopping underneath the gutter, I did notice that the material was beginning to change colors as water was seeping into the fabric, being absorbed by the fabric. It does dry extremely fast. The jacket is very breathable. I mean, fantastic in that regards. When it comes to its purpose, for most people and situations, I think this is going to be a very good jacket. If you were going to go out for a hike where it was going to rain all day long, very, very heavy, then you may want to get something more substantial. But for the average Joe, if you're going out for a day hike, going out for an overnight trip, they're calling for showers, I think this will serve you just fine. Again, I really am impressed with how well this has performed, because when you feel this material, it's unlike any rain jacket you've ever felt. It really is. When it comes to quality, it is excellent. Excellent. There are no loose threads. There are no imperfections. The seam sealing here is excellent. It's not coming off even after months of use. I've had this thing wadded up inside of my backpack many, many times. Good stuff, guys. 511, you guys have really impressed me with your products. Now, when it comes to the cons, there are a few. First off, this is a little bit pricey for a rain jacket, a wind jacket. This is $150. There are much cheaper rain jackets out on the market, and they perform very well. But this one's got the looks. It really does. And also the performance. It really is up to you what you like and what you need your jacket for. At some point in time in the future, I will do a follow-up video on this jacket. And that's because I really want to see how well this jacket does in the long term. I've tested it out for multiple months. But what about months and months and months from now? What happens when that water repellent treatment wears off? That's what I want to know. Of course, you can reapply it and so on, but is the jacket as waterproof without that coating? We shall see. So everybody, let's sum up this review here. Do I recommend this jacket? 100% yes. This is a product that I'm going to continue to use. You guys have received my feedback, my thoughts on this jacket so far with my testing. Again, I'm very interested to see how well this continues to perform into the future. I did forget to mention that it is available in numerous colors, so if you're interested, make sure to check that out. With all of that being said, make sure to comment down below, share your thoughts. What do you guys think about this jacket? What do you guys think about my review? What do you guys think about these glasses? They're a little bit big, but they're growing on me. I do like them quite a bit, actually. That is one more agenda-free review for the books. Until next time, strength and honor. See you guys around.